Hey guys, this is Ryan Lavin with Southland RV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2025 Leisure Travel Van Wonder 24RL. Follow me and we'll take a look inside. This is going to be a quick walkthrough video going through a lot of the highlights. So this coach is right at about 24 feet 9 inches long. This has been one of their more popular floor plans here for the last couple of years. Big reason for that is this coach along with the RTB are going to get 4 different places for occupants to sit, so there's 4 seat belts. This coach is also capable of sleeping 4 people. So what is optional on this is going to be a air mattress that will actually fill in over the captain's chairs, which swivel around. And then there's a platform in this area that is going to allow you to fill that in. So it's a 48-inch by 88-inch mattress there. Next to there, you're going to have the kitchen, where you'll have a 2-burner gas cooktop, a nice round sink, and then tons of overhead storage throughout the kitchen. Moving into the hallway here, you're going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge with a separate freezer. And then above that's going to be the convection microwave, which this is on the 3000 watt inverter, so we actually have power going to it right now. Across from the fridge, you've got your pantry. Then moving further into the hallway here, you're going to have the shower. This door will actually swing open and double as a privacy door. It just locks in at the top. And you're going to have the bathroom across from there. This mirror will actually swing around. Take like some thought of space. And tons of storage. Now the back of this coach is really going to be what sets it apart from the other floor plan, the rear twin bed. So you've got a very nice seating area here. You're going to have manual footrests on these 2 seats. And then you'll have the ability to mount the Lagoon table system either here or into the floor in the lounge area in the front. So setup is pretty quick. You just remove these couple of cushions here. Lift up on the footrest here, and then you'll have a travel lock. I've already done that. And there you go. So that is a 48 by 74 inch mattress. It's about equivalent to a full. Then you just lift up by pushing the button. Then you can replace all the cushions. The last one. And then also a little different than the twin bed is going to be your closet. And this is where you can also store the table and table leg. And this will be the pole to insert into the floor in the galley. And that's how you'll set up the table there. Got a lot of full extension drawers here, all the way down. And there is actually some storage that is built into the seating area in the lounge. So this coach does not get the pass-through storage compartment like the twin bed does, but that twin bed, they'll actually derate the towing capacity down to about 1,500 pounds, whereas this coach will still retain its 4,000 pound towing capacity since it still has a 2-inch receiver. So that's another reason why a lot of people will go for this floor plan over something like the twin bed Wonder. All right, guys, here's the lounge in the lounge configuration. So we went ahead and we set up the lagoon table in the back here. And I also wanted to show you how the footrests operate on the Wonder RL. So under here, you're going to have a little pull tab. Just give that a pull and slide it out. And it will actually lock out. And then there'll be a gas prop. Then you can push it in or adjust from there. And then across from there, that's where you're going to have the TV and the sound bar. So there will be two 27-inch TVs in here. Both are smart TVs, and both will have JBL sound bars. So the other one's going to be in the kitchen. And there's your storage there. And then for these two large windows, this is a highlight of this motorhome, specifically this window that's down here by the floor. You do have a MCD roller shade for the top one, and then Leisure Travel Van is actually going to include a shade that you can snap to these 2 points that will cover that up. In the back here, you're going to have a little bit more storage and then a cubby. And this will give you the ability to walk around the bed when it is down. So you'll have about this much space. It's about a foot to get between the foot of the bed and this wall. So you'll be able to access two sides of it, which is a big selling point when people are shopping for these coaches. Guys, thank you for joining me on this tour. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 770-717-2890. That is our main line.